Hi, my name is Manoi Ophaso. I am a VIS alumni. Born and raised here in Laos. I went to VIS up till 9th grade and then moved to the States when I was 15. So from VIS I moved to Salt Lake City, Utah to finish off high school, and as soon as high school was done, I bought a one-way ticket to New York City. It's the best place if you want to go into the culinary world. I had no experience in the kitchen, nothing under my belt. Went in and then they were like, okay, we're gonna take you as an intern, but without pay. I was like, okay, as long as you need to, and as long as I can prove you wrong that I really want this job and I really want to learn. And then finally, after 6 months, I got my first check. Kitchen Lounge established in 2018. The concept came upon my own experience from New York. It's a farm to table, chef's table, the first I would say in Gen. I want people here to just experience what New York has to offer. Maybe it's not a full New York experience or anywhere else, fine dining, chef's table, but this is the best I can do. Fondest memory of VIS. Wow, mid-90s. Basketball was life. Every day wake up and just waiting to go to school just to go play basketball. Being a very local Lao citizen, but yet your parents are striving to get you into that international life. I'm so thankful for that, and just for the teachers, it's a building block, I would say, to become who you are. That's when you know who you want to become, even though it's a very teenager thing, but you still that's the time where you really know yourself of who